Hello guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can color splash in Adobe Photoshop. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Photoshop, then select any random image. You need to duplicate this layer and give this layer a name if you want. And then you need to click on adjustment and make your picture black and white. So you can see that this picture is now black and white, and I am on this layer of black and white. Now you need to select the brush tool and make sure that it is black at the top and white at the bottom. Then I'm going to zoom a little bit so I can make this bird. Okay, so it is not precise. I'm just showing you how to do that. So you can see that I easily color splash in Adobe Photoshop. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.